Yo, what's good, chat? Back with another trade recap. Today is, what is it, September 18th of 2025. So, yeah, I'm just going to go over another trade recap. Um, Gonna do the same thing I always do. Just go into, wait, where's bar replay at? Okay, bar replay. Okay, well, it appears that bar replay has disappeared. So, I'm not going to do bar replay. But yeah, I'm going to just go over my trade from today. Um, It's my first trade in 2 weeks, I'm pretty sure. I'll check my Discord after to double check, but I'm pretty sure it's been my first trade in 2 weeks. Um, so yeah, coming into the day, I was bullish. Um, I noticed we had these 2 hourly gaps, so I wanted to see us. Respect those. Where's the rectangle tool, dude? I'm actually about to cry. I wanted to see us respect these, then get a potential long. But if we inversed this bottom gap, I would have been short, targeting this hourly low right here. So yeah, that was my bias. I was bullish unless we inverse this hourly gap to the downside. And then 9:30 open. Where's 9:30? I'm on MNQ. Wait, let me go to NQ real quick. 9:30 open. We go up a little bit, tap this 15-minute gap, then go down with a 15-minute inverse to downside. But then, this is like the one day I was monitoring ES very carefully because I noticed that what am I looking at? What? This is not ES. What is this? Or is this ES? No, this is not ES. What is this, dude? Why is this 2024, bro? Because okay, I'm slow. Okay, ignore whatever that was, chat. Just carefully monitoring ES because I noticed that we are much lower on ES. So if we, dude, what? Never mind. So I wanted to see us sweep either this low on ES and get a bullish reaction. If we got a bullish reaction after sweeping this low, I would have counted this as an SMT with NQ, then took a long. Or if we wanted to come down, sweep this low as well, and then get a bullish reaction, that's fine too. But yeah, this just looks like a textbook SMT in my opinion. Just based off what it looks like, and NQs in these hourly gaps. NQ, yeah, another really big sign is that NQ also tapped a 15-minute gap right as we swept the hourly lows and got the bullish SMT. So that's like another bullish confluence on NQ. And then the reason I counted this SMT, I usually don't count SMTs like this, but the reason I count it is because the very bullish reaction we got. Like, look at this 3-minute inverse right after we swept the hourly lows. Like, we're not NQ isn't going to want to keep going down after this. So here I said, okay, but this SMT is most definitely a real SMT. So this clean 3-minute inverse is one candle, 100% taking it, and that's exactly what happened. So yeah, ES actually played a big role in my trade today, which usually doesn't happen because I don't like to like overanalyze by looking at ES. How do I get rid of it? I don't like to overanalyze and look at it because there's like tons of SMTs that happen with ES, and I'm just like not really a big fan of SMTs. But yeah, today it looked good. It made sense for NQ to go up, and not only that, we also had a data high. It's not like the craziest data high, but it is a data high. So this was like a draw on liquidity higher that I had as well. So yeah, we went down, boom, tapped 15-minute gap, and then once we tapped it, very clean 3-minute inverse with the same momentum. So this was my entry. Stop loss was right here. It's kind of a weird spot, but it was right here because this just anywhere lower would have been a huge stop, and there's like no reason for that. So I did this, then I targeted 1 to 1, I believe, at the data high. No, it was like 1 to 1.1. Actually, no, my stop was even higher. My stop was like right here. So yeah, it was 3-minute inverse. Stop loss was this gap because we should not go all the way down here. And notice how we respected the CISD perfectly. This 2-minute and 1-minute CISD. So I love to see that. Then yeah, man. So 3-minute was our entry targeting data high. I took all profits at the data high, and also I moved break even. I ended up moving break even at this high right here, because I wanted to see us just be bullish. I want to see us just go up and not like chop around, come back to my break even. I just want to see us go up with good momentum, and that's what happened. My break even did almost get hit on this like candle right here, but it did not. Then we kept going higher. Then it was a pretty quick trade, honestly. No, not really any red candles, if you will, down candles. Really just a bunch of up candles going to my TP. So that was pretty nice. I also took it in class, and I have a little video of that. But yeah, I'm gonna go to my Discord. So that's the trade recap. Let me just go over it one last time. So confluences, bullish bias, reacting off hourly gaps, bullish SMT with ES, bullish SMT with ES, reacting off hourly gaps, reacting off 15-minute gap, clean, obvious 3-minute gap, inversed in one candle, targeting data highs and all-time highs. So yeah, just very textbook, man. Just look how obvious this 3-minute and inverse in one candle, like that's textbook. So yeah, I'm gonna go to my Discord. Hopefully this works. Okay, it always does this. I think I need to. Hopefully I'm not like doxing myself here. So yeah, this was my trade today. Confluence is 2 weeks and nothing. When was so this was my last trade. This trade was textbook as well. It was 9-4. So yeah, that was actually 2 weeks ago on the dot. That's insane. I just sat on my hands for 2 weeks straight. Wow, I mean, it paid off, man. So I'm happy. But I can't get too happy, you know what I mean? Just got to get back to business. I'll also show my Top Step account. Hopefully I'm not doxing myself, but this account, what was this account at? Is there a way to like check the performance stats? 66% win rate, 0.5 average win loss. What did my top set go down to? Okay, so the first one went down to is minus 1100. And then I took a win, brought it back. Then I took another win today. So yeah, man, I'm really happy that I got my Top Step back from the dead. I'm not going to get ahead of myself because my next loss could easily put it back in the drawdown. But at least I got more drawdown room to deal with. It's up $92. I made $600 today on the Top Step. So yeah, I made $600 Top Step, and I made $630 on Apex, so $1,230 day. My Apex account is a little in drawdown. It shouldn't be, but I just take random trades on it for fun. If I'm being not random trades, I take like mediocre trades on it that end up losing on my Apex that I shouldn't take. So it's like a little bit in drawdown still, like 400 in drawdown. So one win would get me a good bit above drawdown. But yeah, man. So yeah, moving forward on my Top Step, I'm gonna continue risking 500 to 600 a trade, 500 to 600 a trade on my Top Step. Probably, I'm not really sure. I'm pretty sure the drawdown goes to 0 after you request a payout. So I don't know when I would request a payout, but yeah, whatchamacallit? after like 3 to 4 wins, I definitely request a payout. Even if it's like 500. Yeah, actually, I don't know. I'm not gonna say too much right now. I'm just gonna work on my trading and think about the payouts if I get to that point. But yeah, I just gotta stop thinking about the balance stuff. Just gotta think about trading well. So yeah, man. Um, but yeah, I also after if I were to get a top step payout in like the next couple of weeks, I'm scaling up so much it's not even funny. Okay, not so much. It's not even funny. I'll probably buy like 2 more top steps or even more. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'll probably buy at least like 2 more top steps. Try to get funded. Try to copy trade three top steps. But yeah, man, I'm not gonna get ahead of myself because I could easily go on a 20-day losing streak tomorrow. But yeah, man, I really needed today because losing after not taking a trade in 2 weeks, then the trade back is a loss would have been would have hurt me so much. And I'm not gonna lie, I thought I was like convinced this was gonna lose based on these candles down for some reason. My stop was here. I was like convinced I was gonna lose. I was actually so sad, but like it was a good trade, so I wouldn't. I was sad, but I wasn't sad because I knew it was a good trade, so I wouldn't have been mad if it lost. Just would have been upset because like the first trade back in 2 weeks is a loss, and who would be happy about that? But yeah, man, um, I'm just pretty much blabbering. Uh, yeah, man, that's pretty much it. If you made it till the end and comment momentum, and yeah, thanks for tuning in. Peace out. Free Discord link is in my YouTube bio as well. It honestly might need updated. It usually needs updated every like couple of weeks, and I haven't. So yeah, I might need to update that. But yeah, free Discord link is in the bio. Feel free to join up, type in chat whenever, and yeah, that's been the video. Peace out.